Do you feel overwhelmed every time you think about redesigning your space? You're not alone. Many people struggle with balancing elegance and comfort, and it often leads to stress rather than a beautiful home. When it comes to achieving stress-free luxury interior design, having the right tools and materials is essential. From color swatches to fabric samples, and essential design software or apps, having everything you need at your fingertips will save you time and energy in the long run. Approaching luxury interior design requires a thoughtful and intentional approach. The first step is to select a color palette that reflects your personal style and complements the natural lighting in your space. Next, consider the furniture you need, and think about the function each piece will serve. Don't be afraid to invest in high-quality, timeless pieces that will stand the test of time. And remember, maximizing space is key to creating a sense of serenity, so think vertically and opt for multifunctional pieces whenever possible. As you begin to bring your design to life, remember to take your time and trust your instincts. Don't be afraid to experiment and try out new ideas, and always keep your end goal in mind, a stress-free, luxurious space that reflects your unique style. Focus on creating a sense of flow and balance, and don't be afraid to add a few statement pieces to really make the space pop. And finally, don't forget to layer textures and add plenty of plants to bring warmth and depth to your space. Let's take a look at how these steps come together in a real-life design. Here, you can see me implementing the principles we've discussed, from selecting a soothing color palette to choosing statement furniture pieces. Watch as this blank space transforms into a stunning, stress-free oasis. One of the most common pitfalls of luxury interior design is creating a space that's more showpiece than sanctuary. But by remembering to balance luxury with comfort, you can create a space that's both beautiful and functional. The key is to select versatile pieces that serve multiple purposes, and to layer textures and patterns to add depth and interest. As you begin your own design journey, you may encounter a few common roadblocks. Maybe you're struggling with color clashes or spatial limitations. Don't worry, these are easy to overcome with a few simple tricks of the trade. Try using a unifying thread throughout your design, such as a consistent color scheme or a repeating pattern, to tie everything together. And when it comes to spatial limitations, think outside the box, or in this case, the room. Consider using vertical space, or using multifunctional pieces, to maximize every inch. By following these simple steps, you can create a stress-free, luxurious space that's truly your own. Remember to take your time, trust your instincts, and always keep your end goal in mind. And don't forget to relax and have fun. After all, that's what luxury interior design is all about. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of stress-free luxury interior design. If you give these techniques a try, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know how it goes. And if you're looking for more design inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos for tons of tips and tricks to help you create the space of your dreams.